Facebook give you a view from the summit. Sun's coming out. Can't really see the mountains. Usually Big Bear Mountains are kind of like over that way, but you can't see them. But this is what you can see. Use the power of interest to pay down your loans faster. martching2018@gmail.com. This is what I wear to the studio. I'll go to the gym or I'll go out wear my own brands. I don't wear Adidas. I don't wear Nike. They ask, what is use the power of interest to pay down your loan? Go to that email. Show people who have $15,000, $10,000, $30,000 in debt. If they're paying over 25%, I show you first. I help you calculate your interest rate. Then I show you if you transfer to this credit card, this percentage, this is how much interest you were paying to pay down that balance. That's all gone. Now you have this extra money that you can use to pay down that loan or pay down other loans. Subscribe. Stay caught up with me. Let me show you how to make that money.